टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फिटनेस फ्रीक्स इंडिया। और इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कुछ ऐसे फिटनेस रिलेटेड या वर्कआउट रिलेटेड डाउट्स के बारे में जो यूजुअली पीपल आर हेजिटेंट टॉकिंग अबाउट और फील embarrassed, they are too shy to ask their trainers, mentors or their coaches at gym and end up on Google and they search about them and Google का इतना बड़ा database है that they usually get confused. In this part of the video, I'll be taking up 3 most common doubts which women usually have related to their fitness training or their workout. Before everything, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो और अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज support us by subscribing and pressing the bell icon. Let's take up the first doubt. The first and the most common doubt almost all females have is about their menstrual cycles. Should they work out or how many days should they skip their workout? See, I have seen all types of women. Women who don't prefer working out for the first 2-3 days and women who are okay doing workout or normal training even during their menstrual cycle days. But it is an individual call. अगर आपका pain या आपके cramping tolerable है, then I don't think workout should be a problem for you. See, workout releases feel-good hormones, the endorphins, and they are helpful for your abdomen pain, your cramps, and it is like a stress buster or a mood changer. It can lift up your mood, it can help you with your mood swings during those days. So I would suggest you to go for low intensity training, group exercises or lightweight training for your upper body especially. Avoid doing heavy weight trainings or high intensity lower body trainings, and in fact I would suggest avoid doing abdomen training. The bottom line is you can work out during your first 2-3 days, which are the most toughest days, if your body allows. Men may look stronger from outside, but women are way more stronger than us when it comes to tolerance of pain. See what they go through their pregnancy days or their menstrual cycle days. Hats off to you guys. You guys never get the appreciation you deserve. So I wanted to use this platform and I wanted to appreciate all the women out there for whatever you go through. We men cannot even tolerate 10% of what you guys feel. The second doubt usually females have is, and ये especially उनको होता है who are planning a family or who are trying to conceive. They feel weight training or a high intensity training will affect their chances of getting pregnant or will make them infertile. So I would say that is not true. See, I am not a medical professional here, but as per my knowledge and years of experience with training female clients and dealing with such cases, I can assure you a good training will not have any bad effect on your conceiving plans. A good workout will help you with your body flexibility, will keep your weight checked. आप obese या obesity की तरफ नहीं जाओगे, will help you make your pelvic stronger. So the bottom line here would be low intensity training during the later stages when you are actually trying to conceive, and a normal fitness routine will definitely have positive effects even in the older ages and will increase your odds of getting pregnant. So another doubt which usually married women, or I should say already pregnant women, have is, can they work out during their pregnancy days, or किस month तक workout करना is safe for them? Like, should they avoid working out or should they stop working out after a few months? Obviously, if you have a critical case, if you have a medical condition, you need to consult your gynae first before listening to my advice. In all these years of experience, I have seen women working out till their 9th month and even a few days just before their delivery. So as such, there is no bad effect, and in fact a study shows that low intensity training or especially squats have good effects on your pregnancy. See, squats helps you with maintaining a good range of motion in your hips, your glutes, your core, your pelvic area, and a low intensity training will make your lower back, which is very important during your pregnancy days, more stronger. So I would personally recommend good low intensity training, yoga, aerobics, low intensity cardio. If you want, you can avoid heavy weights in the beginning few months and in the last few months, as per obviously consulting your doctor first. But as such, there is no problem. You can work out throughout your pregnancy time. Just keep in mind a few points I've just told you, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the content. If yes, please don't forget to share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Fitness Freaks India and press the bell icon. Until next time, stay fit. See ya.